Welcome to Vidya Vaibhav Public School. The first topic we are learning is Worli art. This is for the month of November. Here we are going to use a watercolor directly. The background color should be a brown color. Okay, you should use light brown color. See, in this way, in any direction, just apply complete background a brown color. Remember, you are using a watercolor. Always your brush should be wet. Don't allow to dry. Before it's dry, you should complete the background in a brown color. In this way and in this manner, you should complete the background coloring in a brown. So it's dry now. Just I'm giving a triangle in left and right. So complete the same symbol in left and right. So once it completed, just draw like a mountain, a slant line like this. Do it with a free hand, not required to draw in a pencil, and again to draw a outline in a color. So use a color directly, use a color with directly and complete the work. Again, in between the two lines, you should draw the triangle. Complete the work in the same way in all around. So once the work is complete, take a pencil and draw the circle. So a whirly art in the very basic shape. Here I am drawing a two character. A complete topic based on a music. So here the cartoon is ready in a two different, it's playing a two different instrument. So once this is ready, you can take a black color, paint and a brush, draw the outline. Draw the lines very confidently. So draw the outline like this in very confident line. So repeat the same way for other character also. So remember that your stroke should be very confident and a water content in your brush should be very less. Only paint should be there. Then only you can able to give a proper stroke within a one stroke, a pencil stroke like this. This is how it's look final. The second topic we are going to learn card making. This is for the month of November. It should be a three folding card like this. See how I folded? A front and back should be in the same size, and in between I'm folding into a different size. I'll show once again. It should be a three-fold card like this. You can use not only a white paper, you can use color paper or wedding card papers, waste wedding cards papers you can able to use, or any types of papers you can able to use to make this card. So here I'm using a white color. As per your creative, you can do any type of design. If you are not getting any ideas, you can use it, the technique what I'm using here. I did a flower here, and I'm coloring with the technique of a shading technique. So complete with a stem and leaf. Color it very freehand. If you are using a wedding card or something, you should use a sketch pen also. See inside here, I am taking a topic, happy birthday. I am drawing a very simple cake. Some decorative things. Color it as per your wish. I am giving a strawberry flavor cake. And I am doing some decorative coloring for the cake and background design also. Here I am making little bold for happy birthday. Backgrounds I am giving some sparkles, stars. And even a balloon. And color the balloon also. Make it different colors so it will looks good. And complete background, make it any one single color very lightly, because it's not to look like a plain. So I'm coloring here completely because I'm using a white paper. If you're using a wedding card, it's not required. Then in the back side, apply a glue. Just keep some dots, that's enough, only for back side. Then stick it exactly in the center. And then fold the card. and any other different designs is required, make your own design and decorative too. In the first topic we learned Varli art. In the second topic we learned card making. Thank you.